On number 12, my first step is to factor out the GCF. So I can take out a 3 out of all 4 of these terms, and that will leave behind a 4x cubed minus 3x squared minus 16x plus 12. Now you'll notice that this GCF did not contain a variable, so we're not going to get any solutions from it. So we actually don't care about it. So to get rid of it, we can just divide both sides by 3. So 3 divided by 3 goes away, and then 0 divided by 3 is still just 0. So we can always do that if our GCF does not contain a variable. Okay, so we have 4 terms, so we can do factor by grouping. So out of the first 2 terms, I can factor out an x squared, and that leaves me with 4x minus 3. Out of the second 2 terms, I can factor out a negative 4, and that leaves me with 4x minus 3. So whatever's in parentheses becomes one of our factors, and whatever's outside of parentheses becomes our second factor. Now the x squared minus 4, we can factor this further because it's a difference of perfect squares. So the 4x minus 3 is going to stay the same, but the x squared minus 4 turns into x plus 2, x minus 2. And then I want to set each of my factors equal to 0 and solve. So x is equal to 3 over 4, x is equal to negative 2, and x is equal to positive 2.